today we're going to be doing lesson 25 in our module. Okay, yesterday I had you at your desks build a number sentence with a partner. This morning, I'm going to have you build the number sentence independently. Okay, can you say independently? Awesome. So can you please take your whiteboard markers, and on your marker, can you write, on your boards, write 26 plus 13 equals. We're not solving it yet, so I don't want to see an answer written yet. Okay? Let's see. See you get writing. 26 plus 13. Can we write it on the board right there, Tiana? Thank you. Joseph, can you write the number sentence on the board? I like how Bella, she put a square right here because that's our mystery number that we're solving for. Thank you, Bella. Okay, once you've written our number sentence, put your cap back on your marker and put your marker down. We're going to have hands-off markers. Good job. Blue table is ready. Red table is almost ready. And yellow table is almost ready. Thank you, Mackenzie, for writing down the number sentence. Okay, once you put your cap on your marker, you're ready to use your cubes. You're going to use your cubes to build 26 plus 13. Okay, so underneath 26, build 13 with your cube, build 26 with your cubes, and under 13, build 13 with your cubes. Independently, okay? Ready, set, go. Action. Now we're going to build it in our cubes. And so you're going to write the number sentence, and then you're going to build it using your cubes. Like you did yesterday with partners, but today we're going to do it independently by yourself, okay? I'm going to be walking around to see how your building is going. Can you build 26 first with your cubes? And then build 13. Good job. Put it on your board when you built it. Okay, it looks like I've got 26. 26. How many tens are in 26? Good job. Can you build 2 tens? I see lots of building happening. I see our first number, 26, being built. How many tens are there and how many ones do you need? Then look at your 13. How many tens do you need and how many ones do you need? Let me get you some, okay? Are we doing partners class? No, we're doing independent, which means on our own you're building it today. Oh, that's a really big number. Do we keep them going or do we build them? There you go. I see them there. I see 2 different pens now. Okay, I'm going to give you about 10 more seconds. And it's okay if you don't get it done yet, but 10 more seconds to work by yourself. Oh, I see that you worked it out. Good job. You used your cubes. Okay, now let's build. Okay, so you built 26 because she wanted to build 13. Good job, Joseph. Can you build 13? So keep it like this. Now build 13. Keep it. Okay, class? Yes. Okay, I want to try something. When I say bring it, you say back. Bring it? Back. Bring it? Back. That means eyes back on me, okay? Good job doing that with me. Now, I want you to find your elbow partner from yesterday. And I want you guys to talk to each other. How can we solve this using our cubes? Okay? So let me see your partners. Let me see your elbows. Elbow partners. Okay, so can you be Ava's partner today? Awesome. Let me see your elbows. Who's your elbow partner? Who's next to you? Awesome. Elbow partner, elbow partners. Okay, so So now with your elbow partner, you're going to discuss with them, you're going to talk. How can we solve this using our cubes? Okay? I'm going to give you a minute to talk about that and think about how we can solve it. Okay. All right, ready, set, action.
Okay, talk to her. Okay, look at her. We're going to look at hers, okay? Let's look at hers here, because she built it already. So what can you add together first? Oh, I voy para allá. I voy para allá. I voy para allá. What can we add together? The ones or the tens? What's easier? The tens? Put the tens all together. Look, she's going to put the tens together. And can you put the ones together? No, you over here. Put the ones together. I still see ones over here. Where's your other ten, Isabel? There you go. And can you put the ones together? So how many of the count? Let's count. How many are here?
You talk to your partner.
Like what?
How can we use our cubes to solve this?
Did you hear what she said? What did she say? Okay, now you count your one. There's
Beautiful word.
You can't even tell her.
So he made 13. Did you make 26
Oh,
too?
do you agree it's
What's
38?
your 26?
Or do you want to recount it? Why don't you recount? Let her try
I
it.
used to make 26 as well, okay? All right, bring it. Bring it. Okay, so when I say bring it, you say bring it. Good job. Okay, so up here, I went ahead and I built our number sentence. I've got 26, 10, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next to it, I have my 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Bella, can you come show me how you and your partner, you can come up here and show me with the sticks, how you got the answer to our problem. Are these the ones? Okay, so the tens, she put all the tens together first. 10. Nice and loud, nice and loud.
10, 20, 30.
Good job. And then what did you do after you counted your tens? Okay, then she put her ones together. And how did you find out how many ones you have? Count. She counted them all. Can you count them nice and loud?
1,
Did you put all your tens
3,
together? Like
4,
Bella?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So what was your total?
39.
Okay, did you and your partner get 39? Yes? Okay. That's okay. So Bella, let's think about it. Class. Bella, first she brought over her 10 from her 13. She said, I'm going to put my 10 here because I know these 10s are the same, right? And then she said, well, I'm going to put my ones together as well. Okay? Can I have eyes on the board? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's count this number all together. Are you ready? 10, 30, 30. 39. No, we don't go to 40, right? We stopped at 39, okay? So, we used, by moving our 10s over first and then our 1s, that's how we got our answer, 39. All right, so for now, we're done with our cubes. So let's set our cubes up at the top of our desk on top of their bags.
But if you got different numbers, when I get all together, all the ones together.
Up here, you showed me, and it came out just right. Yes. But up here, when you showed me, it showed 39. So you know what you're doing because you were able to show me up here. So good job, Ella. Okay, so right now, I should see cubes at the top of your desk. Okay. I still have the same number sentence up here, but we're going to do something else next. So Thank you. Diego, he's collecting his cubes and putting them at the top of his desk. Miguel's cubes are at the top of his desk. Thank you very much. Enzo's are at the top of his desk. Because right now, I don't want us to touch our cubes because we're going to use our markers now, okay?
Because it's algorithm.
It's algorithm time. We learned that word yesterday, right? Okay. So some of you also have, let's put all tools down. Markers included right now, okay? Okay, so let's think back to yesterday. We did start out with our cubes like we did this morning. Haley and Camila, I would really appreciate it if you guys sat down and your eyes were on me and you were listening with your ears. Can you show me your ears? Can you show me your ears? Thank you, they're listening now. Okay, so we're gonna work this out now. Who can raise their hand and tell me what method we used yesterday? Daniela. Think about our methods. We've done like tape diagram, quick tens, number bonds. Which one did we use yesterday? What do you think? When I do this, what is that?
Mini bond.
Mini bonds. Well, the mini bond happens when we make our circle, but this is a regular bond, right? So can everybody say number bond?
Number bond.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. You see I've put my number bond under 13.
Yes.
Okay, I want you to work at your desk independently, say independently, and I want you to work on this problem, okay? Think about yesterday, all the steps that we did, okay? We've got the first one, we've got the number bond split. How are we gonna split 13? Then what are we gonna do next, okay? Ready, set, action. Remember, look what I split. Did I split this number or this number? Awesome. Okay, which number are we splitting our hair on? What did I do? Good job. Can we split 13? Try it. Okay, you're going to complete it. So after you've made your number bond, what do you do next? Good job. You've made your number bond. Okay. What 2 numbers? Use your cubes. You can use your cubes if you need to look at them. What 2 numbers gave you 3? Can you count this one? Good job. So we're going to write a 10 right here. Nice to see you, Jaden. All right, you guys have about 1 more minute. Okay, hey, pause. I don't want anyone getting frustrated. We're just trying it out. In a minute, I'm going to show you up here, so there's nothing to stress about, okay? You're just trying right now to see, what can I remember from yesterday? If we can't remember everything, that's okay, because we're going to refresh in just a minute, okay? Good job.
Don't go past that.
Okay, we have about 30 more seconds. Okay, so now you did your bond and your split it. What's your next steps? Think about what do we do down here. There you go.
I need to make a number bond.
You already have your number bond. I see it. It looks great. What do we do next? We need 2 what? Yes. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you, Nico. Class.
Yes, yes.
Bring it.
Back.
Bring it.
Back.
Awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and put wherever we are in our problem, let's put our cap on our markers and put our markers down. Ready, set, action. Put those markers down, right? That was the action I asked, right? Normally when I give you an action, it means do something, so take an action. So this time I should have said maybe hands off tools, right? Okay, so let's have hands off tools. Elias, please, can you just wait a second and watch with us, and then I'll have you join us on the next one, Jaden? Okay, awesome. Elias, can you go ahead and put your cap on your marker? I want you to focus and watch what I do, okay? All right, so we have our problem set here. 26 plus 13 equals, and that's our mystery number. Okay, before I set you guys off to work on your own, I said, okay, here's our number bond because I want you to split 13. Now, when I look at 13, I see 1 10, I'm going to put my 10 here. And I see 3 ones. I'm going to put my 3 here because we know that 10 plus 3 equals 13. Good job. Okay, so now I've done that. I wrote my number bond. Now, we're going to add the 10s first. If I add 10s first, am I going to be adding the 10 or the 3? The 10. Awesome. So, this is where our mini bond comes into play, right? Here goes my mini bond. I bonded my 26 and my 10. You know what's really cool about this? That is my first number sentence, and I need 2 number sentences. This one's already showing me right there. So here goes my first number sentence. 26 plus 10. Now I know that I'm adding 1 10, right? Oh, if you have your markers in your hand, can you please put them down? Because I just want you to follow along here, and then you're going to get to try again on your own. I promise you, okay? I know that I have 1 10 here. So what's going to change, my 10s or my 1s? My 10s. By how many? 3. By 1. So my 10 is going to become a 3. Oh, I'm going to write over here. Okay? 26 plus 10 equals 36. Let me erase what I just wrote down there. Okay, so now I've got 1 number sentence, but I need to have 2 number sentences. So I have 36. That's why I'm going to start building my second number sentence with. 36. Now, I got to look back up here. Which number's not at the party? He hasn't been circled and he's like, I want to go dance. I want to come to the party. Say it. 3. Yes. 36 plus 3. Now, who remembers yesterday? How do we add our 1s? Genevieve. Counting on, right? So, can you count on with me? Let's count on. Ready? 36.
37, 38, 39.
Good job. And we stop there because that's 3. So our answer is 39. Look at that. We did that all together, and I'm so impressed with you guys. Let's give ourselves snaps. Snap it out. Woohoo! Okay, now take a moment on your board. How far did you get? What did you have left to do? Do you need to make a change? Okay, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to look at your board and make the change if you need to. Then we're going to try another problem, okay? Go ahead and check your work. Let me see what you're checking.
Good job, Mackenzie.
Awesome work. Awesome work. I love to see all the steps. This is making me so happy. Oh, my friend, what happened? I needed 2 number sentences. Oh, and I forgot something. Once I have my answer right here, where does it go? Right? We normally have a box here, and I would write 39. Okay? All right. So, we're going to go ahead and erase our boards. I'm going to erase mine too, and we're going to do another problem. Ready? Let's erase. Oh, I can do all of it at once. Okay, everybody should be erasing. I see it. I'm proud of you for following my directions. All right. I've got a new problem up there now. Okay, so once you've erased your board, please write 17 plus 13. Should be an equal sign here. Equals, and if you want, you can put that box. 17 plus 13 equals. Okay, let me see you writing that problem. Thank you, Red Table, for writing your problem. Thank you, Yellow Table, for getting to work and writing your problem. Okay, so keep writing, get that number down. Good job. We're actually not going to touch our cubes again yet, okay? Right now, once you've written your problem, can you put your markers down again? Oh, put your markers down. Put your marker down. Thank you. Okay, Red Table is ready to go. I'm very proud of Red Table this morning. Blue Table is almost ready to go, okay? Some of you, when you walked in this morning, you're like, oh, what is that? What's up here? What does this say?
I know.
Well, this, Miko, what is this called?
It's for so you know if you did a number bond 10 first, 2
help you. So when I ask you in a minute, not yet, to solve this problem, here's a checklist for you. Did I write my number bond? Did I add the tens first? Did I write 2 number sentences? And then did I write my final answer? So if you're stuck and you're like, oh man, I've written my number bond, what's next? This is to remind you, add the tens first. Okay? So we're going to still do the same. We're going to still split our 13. Okay? So I want to give you 2 minutes now to solve your problem. Okay? And I'm going to do this here. I'm going to write little quick pictures in case you're not sure. Okay, this is our number bond. Okay, this means add our tens first. We're going to write 2 number sentences. And then, did I write my final answer?
Yeah.
Well, you're not there yet, but this is what I want to see, okay? All right, go ahead and solve your problem. Good job. I'm seeing multiple steps. I love that. Okay, so how are you going to split your 13, Talha? Okay, I see your mini bond. Now, Talha, what's your first number sentence? Okay, you have about 1 more minute. Keep going. I want you to work out your work, okay? Tiana's writing hers down, and she's doing a good job. How are you going to split 13? How can we split 13? Think back to what I showed you up here on the last one. How many tens does it have and how many ones does it have? How many tens are in 13? And how many ones? Where's your mini bond? Your mini bonds go like this. Look at the wall here. We have this to remember. So what's your mini bond going to be? Okay, about 30 more seconds. It's okay if you don't get all the way through it. Okay? I'm so happy to see you guys doing all the steps. You guys are working so hard. Little mathematicians this morning. Okay. Good job. Okay, so now you've done your first one. You have to write 2 number sentences. Start with this number, and what number do you need to add to it? Class. Bring it back, or bring it back. Bring it back. Good job. Okay, so at this moment, I would like you, wherever you are in your thinking and your problem, go ahead and put your cap on your marker and put it down. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to now show you my work up here. As I'm doing mine, I want you to look at your board and think, okay, did I do that step? Did I do that step? Does my work match Miss McCardle's work? Okay, so where should your eyes be right now? On the whiteboard or on Miss McCardle, right? Okay, so I know I've got my number bond with 13. I know I've got 1 10 and 3 ones. Now I'm going to look to make a mini bond with 17 because I'm going to do my what first? My tens first. Okay, so 17 plus 10 equals 27. Okay, I'm adding 1 10 to this 10. Remember, we showed you like this. 1 10 to this 10 makes it 2 10s, right? So 27. Now, I have 1 sentence. Am I done? No, I need 2 sentences. So 27 plus, I know 3 is lonely. He's not at the party. He wants to come dancing. So 27 plus 3. And I'm going to count on. Can you count with me? 27, 30. Good job. Yes, my answer is 30. Check your counting on, okay? Pause. Am I done?
No.
My final answer. Yes, I have to put 30 up at the top. Yes. Yes, that is correct. Okay, I'm going to give you one more 30 seconds. Check your work and see if it matches mine, and then we're going to move on, okay?
I got 30 and then I checked it and I thought it was 20.
That's okay. So you saw, oh, I made an error, but you corrected yourself. And you know what? Correcting ourselves is something to be proud of. Let's snap for that. Okay, because we recognize, oh, I made an error, and I need to correct myself, okay? All right, so go ahead and check your work. Does it match Miss McCardle's up top? Okay, if it does, go ahead and erase your board. Okay, quickly, erase it, erase it. Okay, I have another problem coming up for us, so I'm going to erase mine. Okay, erase it. Erase it, erase it. Diego, please erase your board. Thank you. Yes, all right, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
Eyes on you, eyes on you.
Okay, good job. Okay, now, here's our next problem. What do you notice about this problem? What do you notice about this problem, Daniela? It is the same as the one before. Okay, for this one, I'd like you guys to put your markers down and watch me one more time. Because I'm going to solve this problem, and I want you to be watching me. Be your little detectives. Am I doing it the same way, or am I going to do it differently?
I think differently.
Okay, so let's see. What am I going to do? 7, listen to me thinking. Here I go. Go ahead, Nico. 17 plus 13. Gotta have my number bond. Okay, I'm going to split it, my 10. Let me erase that real quick. Bella, you may go get some water, yes. Okay, so 13, I'm going to split it. I'm going to do my 10 and my 3. Okay, so now I've got my number bond. I'm doing good. You know, sometimes I add my 10s first, but I want to see what happens if I add my 1s first. My 10s are over here now, and my 1s are here. I'm still going to make a bond, but first, I'm going to add this 1. So 17 plus 3. Now, think about it. It's in a different order, but when I'm adding 1s, how do I add? Counting on, right? We're still going to count on. We're just doing our 1s first this time. So can you count on with me from 17? Ready? 17,
18, 19, 20.
oh, pause. I have some friends who are laying down and some friends who didn't count with me. And you know what? I would love everyone to count with me. So can you count on with us? Ready, class? 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I've got 20. All right. I have one number sentence, but I still need 2 number sentences. So I'm going to start with my 20.
I mean, one more and 10 need to be in your party.
Yes, 10 has to come to the party. 10's like, well, now I'm left out. Well, bring me to the party. Yes, you're right. So 20 plus 10. What's 20 plus 10? Ooh, what do you think? Yes, Miguel?
30.
30, yes, good job. Do you agree that 20 plus 10 is 30? Show me if you agree.
I agree because
Yes, good job. Okay, so 20 plus 10 equals 30. Now, I got to put it up here, right? I got to write my answer. So, sometimes we can use our 10s first, but you know what? Sometimes we can use our 1s first. Okay? It just depends, and we'll have to see in our problem sets. Is it asking us to use our 1s or our 10s first? It's going to let us know. Okay? All right, so your board should be cleared by now. Okay, and I'm going to have you on this next problem. Okay, 26 plus 13. This is the one we started with at the beginning. But at the beginning, we used our 10s first, our strategy from yesterday. Today, our new strategy is to use what first? 1s. So can you still do your number bond, but this time I want you to do your 1s first.
That's even harder. That's harder
did my ones first. What did I put here? The tens or the ones?
That's gonna be 40.
Okay, try it on your own.
I don't know why I keep doing that.